Hey there, I'm Merlijn Twaalfhoven, and my lecture at the Embassy of the Free Mind will be about the artist mindset and ways to apply the artist mindset in our current times of uncertainty. Well, we know art in our world from music, film, theater, dance that have a specific place in our life. We know artworks, things we can admire, things that were created by artists. But what about the artist mindset, the way of seeing beauty in the daily life, creating space for play and experiment, and also the power of imagination? Well, these elements we should no longer outsource to professionals, to professional artists. We should really internalize in our attitude to deal with these times of change, times of uncertainty, times of crisis. So I invite you to come listen, talk, discuss this notion of how an artist mindset and how the old sources of the Embassy of the Free Mind can really help us to become active citizens and to become able to deal with the uncertainties of today.